Hello, little man. It's 9:15 and he's just woken up. He went to bed normal, like 8, and he slept until 12, and then from 12 o'clock until 5 o'clock he coughed continuously. I ended up getting a plug-in. No, don't do that. So we got a plug-in. We put Vicks on his feet. He had cough medicine. He had some ibuprofen, and we had his this on with Olbas oil, and I had Olbas oil, and I propped him up on pillows, like wedged him in the middle, and it helped, didn't it? You didn't like your coughies, did you? Can you put your digit on my tool bench, please? Oops.
Try again.
Try again. Thank you. Should we go downstairs and see your sisters?
Wait.
Wait, what?
Cow bacon.
They're all downstairs because you ate them all. We can go and get some more.
Oh, where's that?
Downstairs. Morning. Oh, I look like crap. Need to straighten my hair. I look like fucking Lord Farquaad. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock. Foxy just came in. I said, I'm just going to go and find my slippers and make a coffee. And he went, Mama, do the fire. So before I do anything else, I apparently need to do the fire. So that's what I'm going to do. I need to empty it and then start it again. I found some blocks online, which I thought looked quite good. And they're like nighttime burn bricks. I can't remember who they are from, but I'll put them on the screen. If anyone has used them and recommends them, let me know, because I don't want to spend 30 quid on them and for them just to be crap. So if anyone has used them, let me know. Or if anyone has any suggestions, because like I leave coal on it at night, but that doesn't burn like all night. But these bricks apparently burn for 8 hours straight, so then I could potentially just riddle it in the morning and get it going again. So yeah, let me know if you've used anything similar. They can Letco, something like that. I can't remember. I just want to show you this as well. My mum bought this around for me yesterday. It's a little card that I put it in a frame. I found a spider in my bath. And then it says, is it gonna focus on it? It says, so I got a piece of tissue and very, very, very carefully burned the house down. Because she knows what I'm like with spiders. Yeah.
I saw some.
My kids are doing their elf hunt with Ben. Today we are having a reset day because the kids at the weekend just have trashed the house a little bit, and Ben was here and it's like a whirlwind mess. So today is going to be reset room by room, getting it ready for the week ahead, and then the carnage of Christmas. My lip is still, this bit here, I yawned in the night and it cracked and bled. Right, they've done that elf hunt with Ben. He found another elf at his house. I've got my coffee, and the first room I'm going to do is the dining room, because this is just an easy fix. It's just them leaving stuff on the table, and the cats keep knocking all my boxes down and then skidding around on them. So this is going to be the first reset today. Dining room's done. I'm going to take this tree down today. I absolutely fucking hate it, like with a passion. And the cats are just literally ripping it to shreds, and then it just gets bits everywhere. So I'm going to take that down later, but that is not a priority. I think a priority maybe to cuddle this boy. Are you coming up or not? Bitty. Uh-oh, there's a sausage boy! A monster! Take that off your feet, now. Dangerous. He's got one of the girl's hair bobbles around his ankles. Take it off, you little weirdo. Take it off. 1, 2. Take it off. Yeah, go in there and sit on the sofa then. Don't mess around. I've now got a helper. What do you want to do? Can you do these ones? Because the kitty cats have made a big mess on here again with their feet. If I get you a cloth, can you do it? Oh. All 3 of my kids love cleaning the cupboards for some reason. I don't know why. Here you go, mate.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
I want to replace all the black doors. They're IKEA, so I think I can just swap them out, but I'm not entirely sure. But that will be a one-day thing, not a now thing. There's too many now things, like filling up all these bloody holes and repainting because it's just finger marks everywhere. Look at that, just finger marks everywhere. But that's not now. I'm going to do the pantry next because the pantry has got a little bit in disarray. So this is my next one. What are you saying? Do you want to show us what you've done?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, he's cleaned the fridge and cleaned the cupboards. Do you like cleaning?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
You're a little weirdo.
He's doing a pop print.
He might do a paw print. Oh no.
He didn't.
No.
We got them.
We don't stop them because they have to go outside to poop, don't they? We don't want them to poop in the house, do we?
No, that'd be dangerous.
It wouldn't be dangerous, it would just be gross.
I don't see a big thing.
Okay, you look out the window at Binksy Cat. You see him?
Yeah.
Is he okay? Careful. Pantry's done. Haven't bothered doing these cupboards because they're not too bad, but I've reorganised. I've made it so the kids have got like a little snack area here so they can just help themselves. The sauces that they use, so ketchup, crispy onions and golden syrup. Noodles, cereal. This is like nuts and smoothie stuff like spirulina and cacao nibs and hemp hearts and all that shit. Pasta and rice, and I've put all my sauces up here. I thought I ran out of my favourite one, but I found a bottle. This is literally like I'd bath in this, but it hurt your minge, so it wouldn't be a good idea to bath in it, but it's delicious. And then sriracha, I've got 3 bottles of sriracha. I have a problem. Packet mixes, like the chili mixes when I can't be arsed, and then my mum always brings me round random ones. Corn flour, chocolate chips, sprinkles, flour, bacon stuff is here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Scrub the floor. Now we're going to do the cat's room, which isn't too bad. I only did this a couple of days ago, so it just needs to have the top wiped. And then this stuff was in one of those, and the cat's just go in and knock it all out, so I just need to put it all back in again. All reset. Kitchen now, Binksy Cat. Yeah, kitchen. No, it's not too bad. It's just got some stuff on the side. I need to put some of this in the dishwasher. I've got a load of stuff here for the food bank. Mum got the kids some popcorn, which needs to go in their drawer. She also got me some curtains, some big curtains to go here, but I haven't got any way of putting them up at the moment. So I need to fold those and put them somewhere else. And then this is just like Foxy's crap. It's not too bad, shouldn't take too long. I just had a little moment. Kids are just playing up and just arguing while I'm trying to clean the house. I just asked them if they can just try and be nice to each other, and I know it's a horrible time for them. He just knows, doesn't he? All clean. And then there's Gary. You alright, little man?
None pictures.
None pictures?
No.
How's your coffees?
Good.
It's nearly 2. He is dragging his heels about eating his lunch. Just come out here and giving it a once over. This is all the stuff I need to put around the front door, but it's too fucking cold to go out there today. This is stuff that needs to go up. I've done in here the best you can when there's a Christmas tree. The girls are watching Despicable Me 3. Fire's still going. If I can convince Fox to come upstairs with me, I'm going to go and do some upstairs tidying as well. Right, I've made the mega bed, had a bit of a sort. The kids have sort of tidied their own bedrooms. Not too bad. Foxy's, I can't even be asked. I think Mika's, we're probably gonna redecorate in here first while the mega bed is there, because then she can redo this how she wants, and then we can move her bed back in when she's ready. I've got to take some presents downstairs, and I'll clean the bathroom as well. A big sort in here. Scrub the shower. I don't use this shower ever. I'd much rather it was like an earring cupboard and then like an over the bath shower. But that's a one-day thing. Folded some towels, cleaned all of this, organised all of this. Still look like shit. Gonna go downstairs. Kids are all having their dinner. They've all got fairy toast, which is eggy bread for anyone not in this house. And I'm having, I burnt my buffalo cauliflower, but it'll still be good. A jalapeno cheese pasty thing. And then I've got Brussels sprouts with pine nuts. The most random dinner, but they needed using up, so I didn't want anything to go to waste. So that's what I'm having. Proper random, but delicious. Got one little sausage getting ready for bed. It's
Okay, I'm going to
5:45. No, getting ready for bed, not in bed, getting ready. Ari's not feeling great, so she's gone to bed already, my poorly baby. She's got a little bit of a high temperature. Alright.
tired.
And a sore throat, so she's going to go to bed now. Mika is in here building Lego. Making Santa's workshop, aren't you?
Yeah.
I've just straightened my hair so I look less like a trampoline. But I'm gonna go. That is it for this weekend, and we'll see you in the morning.